Hi everyone, this video is about eutrophication and looking specifically at how fertilizers contribute to this huge environmental problem. So first, what is eutrophication? Eutrophication is a process that occurs in water bodies when there is an excess amount of nutrients present in the water. These nutrients are mostly nitrogen and phosphorus, which are a food source for phytoplankton, bacteria, and algae. In the presence of excess nutrients, these organisms will grow very rapidly and eventually will lead to the formation of toxic algal blooms. Fertilizers are one of the main culprits in speeding up the eutrophication process because they are rich in nitrogen and phosphorus. There are many reasons why overuse of fertilizers can be dangerous for the environment. Firstly, fertilizer is being used excessively by farmers, even when not necessary, to produce crops of higher economic value. However, this isn't necessarily true because depending on the soil type, there are soil microbes that might be present, which are responsible for converting phosphorus into organic phosphorus, which cannot be absorbed by the plant roots. Also, crops usually have small roots that only occupy a small amount of the soil, and so all the extra nutrients that don't come into contact with the roots will just remain in the soil. These excess nutrients are picked up by soil runoff, usually by rain, and eventually these nutrients will find their way into nearby streams, lakes, and rivers. So what are the environmental impacts of eutrophication? The algal bloom layers that form can be very thick and can prevent sunlight from being able to penetrate the water. This means that algae and other plants can no longer photosynthesize, which results in a huge drop in oxygen levels in the water. This lack in oxygen will lead to fish and other aquatic animals dying from hypoxia. Furthermore, phytoplankton and algae will also begin to break down due to this lack in oxygen. Considering these animals are at the bottom of the food chain, their breaking down will lead to many other organisms being left without any food resource. Thus, eutrophication is considered to be a huge global concern because it leads to a loss in plant and animal biodiversity and has extensive damage on the ecosystem. But it's important to note that these harmful effects of fertilizer can still be reversed as long as farmers and lawn owners started using the right fertilizer source at the right time, at the right rate, and at the right place.